Hey guys, welcome back into another video. So I already released 2 YouTube shorts, but I thought about something. So recently I was watching TV, and I was actually thinking back on a book that back at my school I was reading. It's called Ringer by the same person who wrote Maniac McGee. So basically in the town that the main character lived in, called Palmer, apparently his town killed pigeons to upgrade the park and community. It's definitely a good book and you guys should watch it. But something kind of just got on my mind recently. This is actually like a couple of minutes ago. I stepped outside and I saw that birds were just in the yard. So I was like, maybe I can communicate with these birds some. Which is why I brought Cheerios. They're gluten-free, and today we're going to feed some birds. Okay, so one method I think that I can do in order to lure birds nearby is by placing the little treats. Alright, so alright. Well, let's place down like a little trail. Because there's some birds that would go all the way over there. So, yeah. Let's place down a little trail. And if you're wondering, no, I didn't pay for this cereal. I actually got it like a little reward back at my school. They definitely taste super good. But you guys might already know that. You hear that, guys? That sounds like a tweet. Alright, so I don't just want these to be like all the way coming from here. So let's place some right here. Alright. I'm gonna take a couple of these Cheerios from this bowl, and I'm gonna throw them around in the lawn. But first I have to spot for birds. Hey, there's some birds up there. But I keep on hearing the tweet from over here. Alright, you guys, we'll try to find some birds. Alright, guys, so I currently can't find any birds right now, so I'm just gonna throw them up in the air. Alright, let's go throw some more up into the air. Alright, let's get some more. Come on. Alright. We need more Cheerios to feed these birds. Alright, let's just go sprinkle these around. Alright. All of these Cheerios are out. And even though we haven't got to feed any birds so far, hopefully this will all be gone, or at least just some of it, when we get back into the next video. So you guys, make sure to subscribe and like. Also comment down below what you expect to see in the next video. All jokes, no inappropriate. All I just want to say, I'm trying to build a nice community. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.